This week we're having our kids' spring break camp, which is a lot of fun. The babies are with us basically all day long. We typically would cook classes in a shortened birthday party setting, but in the kids' camp, the kids get to do everything from scratch, from start to finish. They cook everything. We teach them fundamentals, basic skills, really allow their personalities to shine through.
Cooking with a Twist is Chef Dee Dee's love to her friends and family. She found the need for this, for people to come and gather and cook and to learn recipes. Most people, they order, they do online. There's not as much cooking out there. And it brings an environment where you get to cook with your family and friends and enjoy that time around the dinner table that we used to have. And so you come in, you pick one of our menus that we have, and you basically are taught how to make delicious recipes in a fun, friendly environment. And you just hang out and you make new friends. Good down-home cooking. It's the recipes that you grew up when you were little in the kitchen with your grandmother. You know, just sitting around that table, listening to your grandmother and your moms and your aunties all just talking and laughing. And for that, I feel that it's very important. Like, it gives you that sense of home. The Stafford community here, it's very important. It's vital. Chef Dee Dee, during Harvey, other natural disasters, she's opened her doors and she's fed the community at masses. When the government shut down, we hosted cooking classes for government employees, because when your money is cut, that's the first thing you cut out of your expenses, is going out to dinner. But we were able to fill the place with families and their kids all eating out and doing something like that. She donates to children's centers, to women's shelters, to CPS, to churches, to schools. I mean, she sponsors kids for everything you could imagine. She's very vested in the community. Anything and everything to help people, like, it's done through Cooking with a Twist. You can cook here at any level. Some of the recipes are more challenging, but you cook as a family at a table. So there's always someone that's willing to help, or if everyone's unsure, we just stand a little closer to their table. Now, you can Google a video and you can watch stuff on TikTok and YouTube and you can see it all. But until you do it with your hands and you see the textures and you smell the aromas, it really is different. And if you're a little hesitant to go out and buy ingredients for something that you may not cook, for this, it forces you to do it. It teaches you the technicality. The kids that are here, they're here because they want to be. They have an interest in cooking. They enjoy these things. They shine. They're not here because they're forced to come here. They enjoy it. They like it. They're cooking. They're learning a skill. And that's just what's so amazing. You really see the children's personalities at the table. You always have a boss. You always have an artistic person. And it's just, it's funny to watch their personality, and they blossom. We teach them recipes. And as we're teaching those recipes, those kids are learning how to dice, how to measure properly, how to actually read a recipe. A lot of adults can't read a recipe. They have to see a video, like our minds have just been programmed that we have to see someone else do it. So by bringing the kids in and giving the instructions and they're doing it themselves, it really just teaches them the fundamentals. It gets them started. It lights a fire in them for their passion. Cooking should never be a chore. It should be something you do, and you're cooking for your family and friends. I always say that I was raised Southern Baptist. Casserole can cure the world. Someone gets sick, you give them a casserole. Someone has a baby, you give them a casserole. Learning how to cook, it's a love language. So we have a lot of fun.